Number 1. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $5,000. It features a bold blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior, giving it a cohesive and timeless appearance. Under the hood, it's powered by a robust 6.5L V8 diesel engine that delivers strong performance and impressive torque, making it ideal for both heavy-duty work and everyday driving. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the 4x4 system operates flawlessly, ensuring reliable traction and control on various terrains. The diesel engine offers excellent longevity and towing power, perfect for hauling equipment or handling demanding tasks. With a clean title and a reputation for toughness, this 1998 GMC Sierra 1500 remains a classic choice for those seeking power, reliability, and functionality in a truck that's ready to get the job done. Number 2. 1966 Ford F100, price $7,000, finished in blue with a black interior, powered by a 300 inline-six engine and a manual 3-speed floor-shift transmission. It runs on gasoline and comes with a clean North Carolina title in the owner's name. Mechanically, it's in good running condition with a fresh oil change, no leaks, and new spark plugs and wires. It features front disc brakes with new calipers and pads, rear drum brakes, a new dual master cylinder, and new matching tires. Electrical updates include new LED headlights, all lights functional, and a new gauge cluster, though the oil pressure and water temp units are not yet wired. Inside, it offers a new steering wheel, new interior mirror, a comfortable bench seat, and a rebuilt heater box with new hoses. The exterior shows new 1965 style fender badges, a restored hood badge, and a like new grille and bezels. Typical rust appears on the rear passenger cab corner and floorboards, while cabin mounts remain rust-free. Number 3. 1983 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,000. It features an automatic transmission paired with a powerful 454 gasoline engine, delivering the kind of torque and performance that made the square-body Chevy trucks legendary. The exterior is finished in timeless black, complemented by a beige interior that maintains a clean and functional look. The truck runs and drives well, with strong brakes and good tires providing dependable handling on the road. Comfort and convenience are well covered, thanks to cold air conditioning and efficient heating, making it suitable for year-round use. Designed for both work and practicality, it also includes a trailer brake controller and a gooseneck ball, allowing it to handle heavy towing with ease. While the cab corners, rockers, and paint could benefit from some restoration work, the truck remains mechanically sound and offers an excellent foundation for either a daily driver or a full restoration project. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1989 GMC 1500, price $6,500, shows 122,000 miles and has spent its entire life in South Carolina, keeping it completely rust-free. It features an automatic transmission, gasoline engine, and matching blue exterior and interior. While the paint shows minor fading, the body remains in excellent shape. The truck is fitted with a 5.7 lowering kit and C-notch, giving it a smooth ride, along with 18-inch GEGS wheels and nearly new tires. The engine has been freshly serviced with new rear main seal, valve cover gaskets, and head gaskets, plus shorty headers and a full exhaust system. The transmission was rebuilt last year, and the truck has been fully gone through after sitting for a few years to ensure reliability. Inside, the interior is in great condition, with only a small tear on the driver's seat. Number 5. 1976 Chevrolet C10, price $8,000. It has traveled approximately 137,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and comes with a striking black exterior paired with a red interior, giving it a bold and timeless appearance. This particular C10 is equipped with its original factory 454 engine, which remains intact and unmodified, still resting in the truck's bed, a rare find for collectors and enthusiasts seeking authenticity. While the truck does show some visible rust, it retains much of its original character and solid foundation, making it an excellent candidate for restoration or preservation. Overall, this 1976 Chevrolet C10 stands out as a classic American pickup that combines originality, vintage style, and the raw potential of a true survivor. Number 6. 1976 Ford F100, price $8,500. It features a Crown Victoria chassis swap equipped with a 2009 Crown Victoria 4.6L V8 engine and an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and reliable performance. With approximately 130,000 miles on the odometer, the truck runs strong and handles well. The exterior is finished in red, complemented by a matching red interior that remains in excellent condition. A Bluetooth radio system has been added for modern convenience, and the truck has recently received fresh oil service. While there are a few minor rusty spots, such as on the driver's side door, the overall paint and body remain in good shape. This custom F100 offers a clean title and represents a well-maintained, tastefully upgraded example of a classic American pickup.
Number 7.
1991 Ford F350, price $10,000. It's powered by a strong 460 Ci V8 gasoline engine with electronic fuel injection, paired with an automatic transmission featuring overdrive for smoother highway performance. The truck comes in a matching blue exterior and interior, both in good condition, and is configured as a crew cab with a long bed and dual rear wheels, equipped with a factory tow package and a Reese fifth-wheel hitch. This F350 is ready for serious work. It also includes a sturdy toolbox for added utility. The cloth interior is clean and comfortable, with all gauges, seats, and the dashboard intact. The body remains solid overall, showing only the kind of cosmetic wear expected for a truck of this age and purpose. The bed is straight and solid, with only minor surface rust from normal use. Recently fitted with new tires and a replaced fuel tank and fuel pump, the truck runs and drives strong. It's ready to be put to work immediately, whether pulling a trailer, hauling equipment, or serving as a dependable farm truck.
Number 8.
1987 Chevrolet C10, price $7,500. This truck is a classic long bed pickup finished in bold red with a matching interior, powered by a reliable gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, it features a 1997 V6 engine sourced from an S10, offering a smooth and dependable performance. According to the owner, the truck runs great, having been driven over 1,000 miles last month without any issues. Despite showing some rust, the body has been treated with an undercoating paint applied all around to help preserve its condition. With its solid running condition, long bed configuration, and vintage appeal, this C10 remains a strong candidate for those seeking a dependable classic truck with plenty of character.
Number 9.
1983 Chevrolet C10, price $3,750, features an automatic transmission, a striking red exterior, and a gasoline-powered 305 engine.
The truck runs and drives smoothly, supported by a brand new transmission that ensures reliable performance.
Showing only 30,000 miles on the odometer, it's impressively well preserved for its age. Although there is some rust on the right rear fender, the rest of the body remains in excellent condition. It comes equipped with new tires that enhance both safety and ride quality. Inside, the immaculate interior reflects careful maintenance over the years, though the door mechanisms need attention since some windows do not roll down properly.
The vehicle is complete with a title, making it ready for its next owner. Number 10.
1985 GMC Sierra 1500, price $2,850. This truck has about 120,000 miles and features an automatic transmission with a 2.8 L2WD engine. Both the exterior and interior are black, and it runs on gasoline. Despite a few flaws, the truck runs and stops great. The radio and windows work, the AC blows cool, and the heater works perfectly.
All lights function except the driver's front turn signal, and the wipers don't work. It has a new battery, spark plugs, wires, and starter, though it still needs coolant temp and oil pressure sensors replaced. The interior is in good shape, while the driver's bedside and passenger fender were spray painted by a previous owner.